Hello students. The magic of sorry, thank you and please. Sorry is indeed a word that acts as a lubricant to human relations. When you say sorry to someone, the person mostly gets soft towards you and excuses you for your shortcomings, realizing the fact that it is quite normal and natural for any person to commit mistakes. When you do something that you feel is wrong and has not gone well with the expectation of the other person, you may or may not admit, but you do feel upset and uncomfortable. The heat of being self-righteous blocks human growth, and such a mindset makes you arrogant and you begin to lose the shine and color of human adventure. Similarly, when you say thank you to the person who has done you some favor, you acknowledge the fact to have been favored by someone. The fellow you have thanked feels nice. The two-word magic often does wonders. While doing so, you win the favor and respect of the person. Such persons are always willing to help you. When you thank persons, you give them due respect that they rightfully deserve. Psychologically, sorry and thank you carry a much deeper meaning. Saying sorry makes you realize your shortcomings, not being on time, not being able to deliver within the given time, coming late, not going by your promise, not packing things well, not taking care of children, not doing the assignment, or simply not having done what you were supposed to do. When you realize your shortcomings, you get an opportunity to work upon them in order to stay smart and alert and be determined not to commit the same mistake again. Take care not to be excessively serious about it, else you may lose the charm of living a cheerful life. If the other person says sorry to you, set your mind to stay positive and respond with a modest nod and get along again with the same vigor and energy that you had earlier. It's nice to stay honest and forthright, but it is also important to be willing to excuse others and continue to cross the milestones on the highway of human life in a pleasant mood to touch new high. The phrase thank you carries the glow of warmth that cements human relationships and gives due importance to others who have done you some big or small favor. A behavioral gem that connects and nurtures healthy human relationships. It is your acknowledgement and belief in fine shades of civilized and mobile human society that shines through your words that mark human growth. You are not only thanking the other person, but also thanking the healthy conditioning you have been brought up in. The third jewel that shines in the way you get along with people is please. Using the word quite often when asking someone's favor shows your well-nurtured upbringing and healthy educational background that have instilled in you the respect for values that mark you out from the ordinary. The person whom you request feels honored and elated and is happy to help you out in a given situation. The third gem of civilized human behavior that has evolved to mark the growth of human society. Just allow these words eagerly waiting in your mind to be released while communicating with others. The intelligent are not taken in easily by what you wear or what you eat or how much property you own, but by the choice of your words blended with a fine body language that carries due respect for them. Thank you.